All right. Well, first of all, I'm a gospel rapper. I'm new to this like entrepreneurial stuff. We're working on a board game. I have my partner, which is also my cousin, Elias Lopez, and it's a Bible-based board game. It's tactical. Right now, we're in a prototype state, and we've been working on it for about 8 years now, off and on. Downtown, the New Haven Library, a lot of people there to help me along the way with it. What else?
How did they help you, and what are we looking at?
Well, they all right, these are characters. These are characters that's a part of the game. I don't want to go too much into detail about the game. That's why I'm kind of stuck. But only thing I can say is that it's a Bible-based board game, and it's tactical, and it's teaching people about the Bible. It's for everybody, and it's kind of medievalish. It's different. It's unique, and I believe that it'll be successful. These drawings that you're looking at, my cousin Elias, he's the artist on the project. He drew all this stuff. Everything is original. As you can see right here, you see him drawing. I designed the board. I designed different things to the game. So I'm the designer. Let me see. Right now, like I said, we're in a prototype state. I can't go too much into the game, but so far so good. Most of the supplies that we need are here at MakeHaven. This is a good place. We started with 3D printing for the pieces, the 3D model pieces, but we found out that as far as business-wise and mass production, it's not a good decision to go with the 3D pieces, but we did like the way they were coming out. So we're pretty much just dealing with the printers. Hopefully when the big printer is up and running, we definitely will be dealing with that a lot. And yeah, I don't know what else you want me to say.
You had mentioned that you were looking for people to play test your games. You can learn more about that. Do you want to say how you could be contacted and who you're looking for to play test?
Yeah, definitely. We're always looking for people. You can actually talk to my cousin about that part. But I have an email. I'm also here at MakeHaven. I'm on Slack. You could contact me.
Yeah, you can share your information in the chat, maybe, so people that want to play it can do that.
These are different characters. Like this right here is King Saul. I don't know if you guys know who King Saul is in the Bible. This is Elizabeth. Different characters to the game. These are original characters that he drew. And that's me. It's actually these characters, they'll be like in a book. Like that would be like a team book right there. But that's just a prototype. It'll look different when it's done.